Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz. It is episode 10. Can you believe we reached 10 episodes already? And we just want to tell you thank you for the love and support. This is the season finale of season 1.
Season finale?
Yes, the season finale.
High five.
Yes. We made it to 10 episodes. So season 1 is over. You guys need to keep on watching, keep on looking out for what we have.
And follow us on Instagram as well.
Keep on looking out for what we have in season 2.
Yep.
Today we actually did something really fun, something that I never yet do in my whole entire life. So you know it's gonna be a fun video today. We actually went skating. I've never done it before, but if you want to see me fall, if you want to see Sean fall, you want to see us fall, keep watching.
So guys, welcome back. So today again we are in Portmore for another show.
Yep.
We had to go to Portmore again at least, one more time, and because it's the season finale.
It's the season finale. And you know say in Portmore theme place, so we have to go to Portmore to do the finale.
So we're in Portmore today. So we went to Skateland. So Skateland is in Portmore. It's on the Portmore Mall, not Greater Portmore Mall, but Portmore Mall.
Right.
It's around the backside. You're like when you're going where Mothers is, so you go around that road and then you go straight down to the end, and there will be like a gates section there. That's where it is on your left. So that's where you will go to Skateland, not through the mall as previously from before, but around the other side.
Right, and you will see a sign that says Celebration Church. They're the ones who actually put it on. So if you see that sign, don't think you're in the wrong place, you're in the right place. So you just go through the gate and they will direct you where to go. Right. The price, it's $500 per person. You skate for an hour, and you also have to sign a waiver. So make sure you come prepared to read that waiver before you put your signature on it. And for the $500, you do get skates. So we both got a pair of skates. And also, if you're a beginner like I am, you have people there to assist you. So you probably see in the clips where somebody was assisting me. It never really worked, to be honest, but
she wasn't ready.
If you need the assistance, you can get it.
Right.
Him, go like him a big professional, and I probably left me by myself.
Yeah, for sure it up. I skate before, it's been a long time, but I was trying to get my groove back. So I like to drop here. And
whatever. Anyway, you will have people to help you. Is the bottom line.
Yeah. If you're a beginner.
Yeah. So what was your experience? How did you feel about it?
My experience was okay. I like the fact that it is reopened because I haven't skated in a really long time. So going there, it really helped me to remember that time when I went there as a little young lad. And skating, I did drop a few times, but I get back up on
a lot of times. I only dropped 2 times, people, because I was
she was
afraid.
on the railing all the time. She was like on the railing.
But the time when I came off the railing was with him, and he made me drop. We're not gonna say that.
Anyway, so yes, my experience, it was really fun for me. Don't mind you to get a little sweaty. It's a good little workout for yourself.
Good
as well.
exercise.
You go around the ring a couple times, you just get used to it. So if you have never skated before, this is your opportunity to try it out for yourself and just to have some fun.
Yeah. So for me, as I said, it was my first time. I was really scared. The balance thing, like if you can't get your balance, it's gonna be very difficult for you. I couldn't get my balance. Like the thing with me was that I was just afraid of falling. I never want to drop and damage myself. You see me? But if you're more adventurous than I am, then you'll have a good time. Not to say that I didn't have a good time. I did have a good time. But, it was different. It was very different for me. But overall, I'd say it was a pretty cool experience. And it's a good place for you to go with your friends. It's always better, I think, to go to places like this when you have company. To go.
So you can
overall,
laugh at each other and stuff.
Trust me, people was laughing. But don't feel away. Everybody falls. Every
beginner falls. Trust me, it's a part. Even seasoned persons fall as well. So just go have fun. If you fall, get up, go again. Don't be afraid to make people laugh off it. It's
all a part of it. But I wasn't there for falling. But we had a good time, right?
Right.
All right. So I want to tell you thank you again for watching. If you don't watch any of our previous videos before, check out the playlist. check out season 1. We have a playlist, so check that out. Thank you so much for our new subscribers. Thank you. If you're a new subscriber, big up yourself, comment down below, let us know you're here.
Right, keep sharing our videos as well so we can get some more subscribers. The more the merrier, right? As Devon said, we want to thank you so much for subscribing. We want to thank you so much for following us on Instagram as well. We know we're taking a break for season 1. We're going to come back with a season 2.
It's going to be bigger and better.
More fun, more adventures. Just follow us
on YaadMentz, at YaadMentz on Instagram
as well.
Thank you so much. We will see you in season 2. Don't go nowhere. We'll see you in season 2. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.